In order to file a motion in district or superior court here in Massachusetts, you need to abide by Rule 9A. And that rule states that you need to draft your motion along with something called a memorandum of law, which essentially explains um, how the law applies to the motion you're proposing to the court. And you need to send that to the opposing side and give them 10 days to respond to you. And then after that's done, you need to do what's called a 9A package. You need to put together some additional paperwork, just certifying for the court that you abided by the procedural rules, and you need to submit everything to the court for a future hearing. Now, occasionally you don't have the time to comply with Rule 9A. You don't have 10 days to wait for a response. You need the court to hear your matter as soon as possible. So if that's the case, you need to request an emergency hearing, and that will be made pursuant to Rule 9A, Section E. So essentially, it's going to, in some ways, work the same. You're going to draft your motion in your memorandum of law, and you're going to state in the memorandum of law why, what facts justify your request for an emergency hearing. And you do not need to wait the 10 days for the other side to respond, though you do need to mail the request or a copy of it to the opposing party, as well as submitting it to the court for consideration.